Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dog Man, Fetch-22, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Intro number 1. George and Harold, the men behind the Dog Man.
Yo, Snoops, it's your old buddies George and Harold. Sup? We just started 6th grade a few months ago. My, how time flies. Now that we're grown-ups, we've got some work to do. So we're cleaning out our treehouse. Yup, we're getting rid of all of this kid stuff to make room for grown-up stuff. When I was a child, I spoke like a child. Goodbye, Super Diver Baby Comics. I thought like a child. So long, Chubs and Spider-Bot action figures and accessories. I reasoned like a child. Farewell, homemade pizza box of doom playset. But when I grew up, I put away childish things. I don't want to be a grown-up. Me neither. Let's be kids forever. Okay.
And so...
Farewell, Chubs and Spider-Bot. You shall survive my juice box of woe. Pew pew! How? Not so fast, Ambassador Babyhead. Pow pow pow! Pew pew! No! 6th grade, oh yeah! 6th grade, party time! While we play with dogs, continue our pursuit of extreme maturity, please enjoy our latest foray into super sophistication.
Intro number 2. Dog Man, our story thus far. One time, a cop and a police dog got hurt in an explosion. They got rushed to the hospital, where the doctor gave them the terrible news.
Boo-hoo! Dude, your head is dying. And doggy, your body is dying. All hope is lost.
No, it ain't. Let's stitch the dog's head onto the cop's body.
Great idea, nurse lady! And soon, an awesome new hero was born.
Hooray for Dog Man!
But then, things got complicated. Petey the Cat was busy living a life of wretchedness. Ha ha! When he accidentally created a kitty clone.
Papa?
What? Petey tried to make his little clone become evil, but it was not to be. Li'l Petey's kindness melted his papa's heart, and now they are a family. During the week, Li'l Petey lived with his papa in a secret laboratory. They built awesome robots together. But on the weekends, Li'l Petey lived with his other family, ADHD, the world's most remarkable robot buddy, their house. Together, they play and make comics and stuff, but when help is needed, they transform into superheroes. Don't tell anybody though, it's a secret.
What secret ever?
I know, they just change their costumes right in front of us. Those guys talking smack over there are their friends. Hatoff, world's best reporter. Zuzu, world's bravest poodle. Chief, world's chiefiest chief. Together, they all fight to save the world. Even Petey is part of the team. I am not! In our last adventure, Petey was reunited with his long-lost father. It did not go well. Petey's father stole all of their stuff, but he got busted by the cops. Now he's in the slammer.
That's not fair!
Chapter 1. The Fair Fairy.
Hey fellas! Hey fellas! The Fair Fairy's about to start! Let's go!
Alright, kiddies, it's time for everybody's favorite show!
The Fair Fairy! Who's that fairy in the air who makes things completely fair? She's a fair fairy, oh yeah!
Thank you, Downward Dog.
No problem.
Before we begin today's show, I'd like to apologize for my little, bungle on last week's show.
Bongo?
Yes, I was under a lot of stress, and
Dude, you went totally bonkers.
that's not true, Downward Dog. And don't call me dude. We've talked about that.
I was there, man. You flipped out.
No, I've already apologized for
Hey, Gary, roll that clip from last week.
No! Don't listen to him, Gary. He's crazy.
Show it, show it, show it.
Dare!
The Fair Fairy Film Clip, B055, episode 211, air date 1 week ago.
Welcome back to our show, children. Our next guests are Tina and Ramon. Tina is upset because Ramon got 2 cookies and she only got 1.
Yeah, that's not fair.
Well, you've come to the right show. Give me that cookie, Ramon.
Hey!
Here you go, Tina. Now we each have 1.5 cookies.
That's not fair.
Why not?
She got ice cream yesterday, and I didn't get any.
Hey, Gary, do we have any ice cream backstage?
Here you go, kid.
That's not fair. Why not?
You got mint chocolate chip, but I only got vanilla.
Gary, more ice cream.
That's not fair.
Why not?
She got 3 scoops, but I only got 2.
Gary!
That's not fair.
Why?
His ice cream has more chocolate chips than mine. Her spoon is bigger than mine. My ice cream is all melty. Mine is meltier than hers. It's not fair.
Enough! Give me that ball! You get nothing! And you give me your ball! Nothing for you too! You both get nothing! Now it's fair! Now it's fair!
The Fair Fairy Film Clip, B055, Episode 211. End of clip. Not approved for rebroadcast.
See? I told you! You're tripping, dude!
Well, I won't have it again! I'm much calmer today! And stop calling me dude!
Whatevs.
Now let's welcome our first guests, Tim and Brenda. Tim is angry because Brenda got 2 toys and he only got 1.
Yeah, it's not fair. 9 minutes later.
Give me that toy! You get nothing!
Oh!
Now it's fair!
Hey, Dog Man. Was that so inappropriate?
Chapter 2. Shared Custody. Soon.
Hey, fellas. It's almost 5 o'clock. That means my papa is gonna come over. He's going to take me to his house for the week. Remember our plan? Okay, let's do it!
And so... Oh, hey kid.
Hi, Papa.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I just gotta get my backpack.
What the heck is in that thing? Hey! What's the big idea? Get out of that backpack right now! Look, we had a deal. You're supposed to live with me during the week, and those guys on the weekends, remember?
Yeah.
Well, you can't bring them with you.
Rats!
Now let's go.
Bye, fellas! Hey, Papa, how come Dog Man and ADC can't come and stay with us?
Because they can't.
Why?
Look, I'm not trying to be mean, but Dogman is he loses his own head if it wasn't sewn on. And ADHD is, he's got a race car brain with bicycle brakes. I just don't want those guys living in our house.
It's not fair.
Yeah, well, life ain't fair, kid. Get used to it.
Booby dooby stoopy floopy.
And stop that whining! Look, kid, you're right. It isn't fair. You've got 2 families who love you, and there are some kids out there who don't even have 1 family. You've got food, a bunch of books, toys, games, art supplies. Some kids don't have any of those things. How is that fair?
You're right, Papa.
I am?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I was right about something?
I'll try to be more grateful.
I was right about something! Sweet! Chapter 3. The Discovery. The next day...
You wanted to see me, Larry?
My name is Sam.
Whatever.
Take a chair.
Okay, I'll take this one.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
You said I could take
Sit down!
I'm still keeping the chair, Larry.
Look, we've had tons of complaints about your show. You're mean to the children, you're rude to the staff, you don't show up to work, you tell lies constantly, you steal people's lunches, you've got poor hygiene, you're the worst employee we've ever had!
Oh, yeah? Well, you're bald.
Oh, get out of here! You're fired!
That's not fair!
Meanwhile, what you doing, kid?
I just made a discovery, Papa. Super brain nuts contain a chemical called TR2. In high doses, it causes super anger. Look, this morning an ant stole one of my super brain nuts, and she started eating it. First, she got psychokinetic brain powers, and she started moving things with her mind. Then came the super anger. I drew these fliporamas to show the progression.
The progressive stages of super anger in Fliporama. Ready? Stage 1. Anger. Ant versus ant. 11:15 a.m. Stage 2. Angrier. Ant versus beetle. 11:17 a.m. Stage 3. Super anger. Ant versus kid with magnifying glass. 11:30 a.m. Okay, so what?
This proves that Flippy was innocent.
Flippy? Isn't he that bionic fish who tried to kill me?
Yeah, but it wasn't his fault. The overdose of GR2 made him super angry. That's why they put him in fish jail. But he's changed, Papa. He's my friend now. He's even in my comic club, see? We make comics for each other every day.
I don't want you getting involved with that crazy fish.
It's too late, Papa. I already sent my findings to Sarah. She's gonna do a news story about it.
Ugh. Alright, let's go!
Where?
I need you to hold the ladder for me.
Why?
Your grandpa stole the letters from our sign, so I'm gonna put some new letters up.
Hey, what happened to Grandpa?
He got busted by the cops. He's in cat jail now.
Oh, we should visit him.
Are you crazy? I never want to see that guy again!
But he's your Papa.
Yeah, and he betrayed me!
But he's my Grandpa.
He betrayed you too! Trust me, that guy doesn't care about anybody but himself.
But Papa...
We are not visiting your grandpa, and that is final! Chapter 4. Visiting Grandpa.
Hi, I'm Sarah Hatoff with breaking news. A drug company has recalled all jars of super brain nuts.
But don't worry, folks. Right now, my most trusted officer is going to every store in the city and collecting all jars of this dangerous drug. With Dog Man in charge, what could possibly go wrong?
Really?
Meanwhile...
Hey! Aren't you going to recycle those jars at least? Oh! Get out of here now!
Meanwhile...
It's so unfair. I can't believe Larry fired me.
I can. He should have fired you a long time ago, dude.
Nobody asked you, downward dog.
What else?
I must get my revenge. I must find a way to make things fair. Let me think. What I need is a miracle. Mirror, mirror by the tree, who's the fairest? Is it me?
Yeah!
Who said that?
I did!
What the heck is that thing?
I think it's a tadpole, dude.
Hi!
Are you her mama?
Look, there's two of them.
I think she's her mama. She's a nice mommy. I love you, Mom.
I love her too!
Now there's 4, 5, 7, 10. Where are they all coming from?
Hello, Mommy. What's up, Mom? Hi, Mom.
I think they're hatching right now.
Why are they all calling me Mom?
Dude, it's called imprinting. Look it up.
18?
Hiya, Mommy. Mom, look at me. She's the best mommy
19?
I've ever had.
She's so awesome.
You love me,
20?
Mom.
She's so pretty. 21? 22?
Why are you crying, dude?
It's not fair. All I asked for was a miracle. But instead, I got 22 baby tadpoles who think I'm their mom. And stop calling me dude!
Meanwhile, I can't believe you talked me into visiting your grandpa. He's just going to betray us again.
Maybe he will, maybe he won't. But don't you think we should give him another chance?
No, I don't! You can't just go around trusting everybody!
I know, Papa. Some people are hard to love. That just means you gotta try harder. Hey, Papa, guess what?
What?
You're easy to love.
Yeah, I know. And so... Oh, Gramps!
What?
Hey, what's going on? Are you concocting some sort of sleep gas or something?
No.
Oh good, that's a relief. Well, come with me. You've got 2 visitors.
I knew they'd come. Hang on a second. All right, let's go see those visitors. Hi, guys. I've missed you so much, son.
Yeah, right.
And I missed you most of all, little Ralphie.
Li'l Petey.
Yeah, Li'l Petey. That's what I said. Look, I brought you a present.
Thanks, Grandpa.
And I even brought something for me. A pin and a gas mask.
No, wait!
Don't worry, it's just a harmless sleep gas. By the time you wake up, I'll be free.
Chapter 5. A bunch of stuff that happened next.
Welcome back to our new show. And look who's here. It's Dog Man.
He just finished collecting all of the super brain dots in the city. Now nobody else will develop psychokinetic brain powers or become super angry. See? I told you nothing would go wrong. Shake a paw, Dog Man. Hey!
The wagon is rolling away!
Get it, Dog Man! Meanwhile...
Alrighty then. The sleeping gas in the room has dissipated. Now it's time for phase 2 of my evil plan. And now for the finishing touch. Perfection! Wait. Okay, sleepyhead, it's time to go. Oh, guard!
Yes, Petey?
My dad just fell asleep.
Oh dear, I'd better get him into bed. And so... Meanwhile... What's happening to us?
My brain feels weird. Mine too. It's almost as if we've all developed psychokinetic brain powers somehow.
Yeah!
But how could such a thing have happened?
Beats me.
Hey! Mommy, where you going? I ain't your mommy, you little weirdos!
Mommy!
Mom! Come back, Mama!
Mom!
Don't leave us! What? You shouldn't talk with your mouth full.
Look behind you, dude!
What? Stay with us, Mom. Mommy, don't go. How did those ugly things learn to fly?
Dude, maybe you shouldn't antagonize them.
Stay away from me, you slimy green goonies! I'm out of here! Mama, come back! What should we do?
I have an idea!
Come on, everybody! Let's all work together!
Flippo trauma. Ready?
Stop! How did this tree come to life?
We are controlling it with our minds.
Yeah, we're super angry! And we're not gonna let you leave us again! Now, wait just a minute. Maybe we can all work something out.
What are you doing, dude?
Shh! Don't you see? Those powerful little tadpoles and this gigantic monster tree are just what I need to make everything fair.
Oh,
Now put me down and let's be a family. Good. Now all we need is a name for this tree monster. We must find a name that suggests unlimited power, unstoppable evil, and ultimate destruction. A name that will strike terror into the hearts of all.
I've got it! Chapter 6. Barky McTreeface.
We are not calling him Barky McTreeface.
Oh, come on, dude. That's a cool name.
That's the dumbest name I ever heard.
Well, I like it.
So do I.
We love Barky McTreeface. Hey, let's make up a song about him. Yeah.
Okay. You better not.
Barky McTreeface was an evil, rotten blow. He was rough and mean, and his face was green with the arms made out of Barky McTreeface was a nasty, rude, and tough. He was bad, it's true, but the tadpoles knew how he came to life and stuff.
There must have been enchantment in those tadpoles from that swamp. For when they zapped them with their brains,
He began to roar and stomp down to the city, causing cataclysmic crime. Punching here and there, smashing everywhere. Now it's Flip-O-Rama time.
Do it, ready?
Flippity, flip, flip, slappity, slap. Look at Barky punch. Flippity, flip, flip, pickety, kick. He'll eat ya up for lunch.
Look at that destruction. Now things are becoming fair.
wait a minute. How does this make things fair?
I just lost my job. I lost everything.
Yeah, so?
So now I'm taking everything away from everyone else. You see? Everyone gets nothing.
Oh,
Do you hear me? You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. Now it's fair.
But wait, Mommy! There's still some buildings over there! And the trucks and cars over there!
Well, I can fix that.
Meanwhile,
huh?
Hey! What's the big idea?
you fell asleep, Grandpa?
Grandpa? I'm not Grandpa. I'm Petey.
Ha! Silly, Grandpa.
No!
What's wrong, Grandpa?
I'm not Grandpa. These aren't my glasses.
Yeah, but what about your tail and your whiskers?
That's just glue and markers and stuff.
Sorry, Grandpa. I'm not falling for your tricks again. Wait a minute. I've got to find my son. Oh, don't worry about him. Petey left here about an hour ago. He had your little grandson with him.
Look, you've got to listen to me. That kid is in terrible danger. Let me out of here right now.
Okay, Grandpa. Whatever you say. The exit is through that door. Haha, yeah! Wait, this is just an ordinary jail cell.
Hey!
I fooled you this time, Grandpa.
Let me out! Oh, I can't believe I got tricked again!
I'm really losing my touch, man.
How could things get any worse?
Oh, yeah, roommate?
Meanwhile,
Huh? Hey! Hi, Grandpa.
Huh? I'm not Grandpa. I'm Petey.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
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 No, you're
Yes,
not.
I am.
Okay. Hey, I'm hungry.
Well, go cook some food then, you freeloader. What do I look like? Your servant?
My papa always cooks for me. You did say you were my papa, didn't you?
and so... Later,
Hey, Papa.
What now?
More popcorn, please.
I am not making any more popcorn.
But my papa always makes more popcorn. You did say you were my papa, didn't you?
That kid is driving me crazy!
Chapter 7 Flippy returns. Meanwhile,
Ha 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 ha! My evil plan is working. Soon I shall take over the world. But first, I must destroy that RoboCat. Ha 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 ha!
What happened next, Flippy?
Well, let's turn the page and find out. Suddenly, crash! The RoboCat was in my grasp. But just as I was about to destroy my enemy, I met a little kitten. Hi! He gave me a comic book. He'd made it just for me. Nobody had ever been so kind to me before. And as I read my comic with my new friend, something changed inside me, and all of my super evil powers melted away. I might not be a tough guy anymore, but I am living proof that love and kindness are the greatest powers of all. The end.
Hooray!
Yay!
Sweet!
Bravo! Awesome!
thanks everyone.
But then... Hey, Flippy, the mayor's on the phone.
Hello?
Pack your bags, Flippy. You're a free fish.
I am?
Yup, Li'l Petey's research proved you were innocent.
I'm free!
Congratulations, Flippy. Let's go fill out the paperwork, and soon all of your problems will be over.
We interrupt this chapter with a tragic update. A giant tree is attacking the city.
Huh?
It looks like it's being controlled by 22 tiny tadpoles. They all have psychokinetic powers, and they all seem super angry. Gee, I wonder how that happened.
Well, he was...
And don't blame Dog Man. It was your fault too.
Well, mistakes were made. But don't worry, folks. I've put Dog Man in charge of fetching those 22 tiny tadpoles. Once he fetches them, we'll get them the help they need. Who wants to fetch the tadpoles? Who's a good fetcher? Is it you? Is Dog Man a good fetcher? Who's gonna fetch them? Who's a good fetcher boy? Ready? Go fetch them! See? With Dog Man in charge, what could, possibly go wrong?
You better go help him.
Well, okay, but who's gonna help me?
Well, Zuzu, I guess it's up to us. Let's go save the world again.
Oh boy, this is gonna be great!
Chapter 8 The Fetcher in the Sky. Meanwhile,
I'm so glad we're roommates, Grandpa.
I'm not Grandpa. I already told you like a million times.
I know, and I believe you, Grandpa. Beep.
But then...
We interrupt this tender-hearted moment with breaking news. Dolphin and Eve are heading to town to stop the evil tree that is attacking the city.
Evil tree? Attacking the city? This looks like a job for Commander Cupcake!
What are you doing?
Well, you see, Grandpa, I'm not like other cats. You see, I fight for frosting! I stand for sprinkles! And I champion the cause of carbohydrates. Amen.
Nobody cares!
But I'm Commander Cupcake.
Well, that's just great. I was just thinking, what we really need right now is a guy in a cape whose only superpower is that he eats a lot of cupcakes.
I also eat sprinkles.
That's not helpful! We're stuck in here without a key.
Psst, we don't need a key, Grandpa. We shall escape through my cupcake corridor. Watch this. Huh?
You had an escape tunnel this whole time, and you didn't tell me? You didn't ask. Meanwhile, as Dogman and his friends got closer to the scene of the crime, they grabbed some weapons and prepared for an epic battle. It's time to give up, Fair Fairy!
Never! You do-gooders can't stop my super angry psychokinetic tadpoles!
Stop the tadpoles, Dogman!
Stop the Dogman, tadpoles!
And so...
Come on, Chief. Let's get those tadpoles.
Right! But then...
What's happening to my arms?
It's those tadpoles! They're zapping us with their brains! And we can't control our arms anymore! Flip like there's no tomorrow. Ready? And so... Hey! Dude, that poodle is getting away!
Now let her go. She's just a tiny poodle. What could one tiny poodle possibly do?
Chapter 9. Run, Zuzu, run!
You did it too!
I did not. Oh, hi, Zuzu. What's that you say? Dogman's in trouble? Sarah and Chief too? Unspeakable evil? Mindless chaos? Unlimited superpowers with no moral compass? This looks like a job for the Super Buddies! Come on, Zuzu! ADHD? Don't fail me now!
Hey! Unspeakable evil, eh? Unlimited superpowers? No moral compass?
Meanwhile... Well, here we are at last, Grandpa. My Cupcake Command Center. Let's check the Cupcake computer. Click, clack, clickety, clack, beep, boop. Hey, that's not a real keyboard. It's just a pizza box with stuff drawn on it. And you spelled computer wrong. Look, we need to get out of here. To the Cupcake Mobile. Behold, the latest in cupcake technology. I just need to glue on the last paper plate. I mean, tire. Whoa! Look, we haven't got time for this. I've got to go and save my son. But you haven't seen the Cupcake Cabana yet. Or the Cupcake Croquet Court. Or the... I just want to see the cupcake exit! Well, why didn't you say so? Hey! I think your back got stuck on my hand somehow. Oh well. Come on, Grandpa. Atomic cupcake powers activate. Chapter 10. My Fair Lady.
Hello again, folks. Officer Hatoff reporting from a floating net. We've all been captured by 22 super angry psychokinetic tadpoles, and they're holding us in the sky with their brain powers. How will we ever get out of this mess? Gee, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. And look, Flippy the bionic butterfly fish has joined our fight for good. But there's only 4 of us.
And 25 of us.
How will we ever get out of this mess?
Never fear, Sarah. It's Super Buddy time!
Meanwhile... Hey, Grandpa! Our prayers haven't answered! Wait! No way! Look! We must eat that gigantic cupcake! It's not real, you know! Only then can we save the world! It's just a sign! Almost there! Meanwhile...
At last I found you!
Who the heck are you?
Allow me to introduce myself. I'm your new partner in crime.
Partner? What do I need a partner for? Can't you see I'm just about to defeat the Super Buddies?
Indeed, she was right. The Super Buddies and their friends had given their all and had put up a valiant fight. Good vibes, but they were outnumbered, outmatched, and out of time.
Yoink!
One by one, our heroes were captured, and the powers of evil grew stronger and stronger.
Look at me! I'm flying, baby! I'm the queen of the world!
But Mommy, we still haven't captured Cat Kid.
Well, it must be hiding somewhere, dude.
Now, don't worry about him. What could one tiny kitten possibly do?
Chapter 11, The Cat Kid Conundrum. Meanwhile, in the quiet of night, in the stillness of twilight, a silent sentinel sneaks in the shadows. Swiftly, unsuspecting, he shings his claws, ready to slice. And in this perfect moment, when a swipe from his sharpened sabers promises sweet salvation, he stops.
Hey! I didn't see you back there! You could have clobbered me! I know. You could have sliced us all into sushi! I know. You could have saved all of your friends! I know. But you didn't! Why? I can't hurt you guys. You're just little kids. What's your name? Molly. Oh, I'm Li'l Petey. Hey, guess what? I have a comic club. You do? Yeah, you can join if you want to. But I never made a comic before. It's okay. I can show you how. It's fun. You'll teach me? Of course. That's what friends do. They help each other.
As the two friends talked and laughed, something started to change in Molly, and soon her super anger began melting away.
What's going on here?
Mommy, this is Li'l Petey. He's my friend.
No, he's not. He's your enemy.
But Mommy, I think...
You're not supposed to think. You're supposed to obey.
But Mommy...
Here, take this kitten. Alright, children. It's time to destroy the Super Buddies and their friends. That's right, kiddies. Zap them with your super angry powers. See? Nobody else has a problem with following orders. Now get down there with all the others and do as you're told.
Chapter 12. Good golly, Miss Molly. It is easy to join with the crowd, and even easier to spread anger and hate, but it takes courage to stand alone. And kindness often takes the most courage of all. Molly could not move the mighty tree all by herself, but she could move a branch. And that was all she needed.
Come on, gang. I've got an idea.
They're getting away!
Now let them go. What could one tiny tadpole and one tiny kitten and one tiny poodle possibly do?
Dude, seriously?
Hey, what's up, Peter?
Sup?
We need your help, bruh.
Okay,
We need to create an antidote to Super Brain Dots.
no problem. I'll download the components, then calculate a recipe for a concoction using everyday ingredients.
Sweet! Come on, gang. Let's go find some everyday ingredients.
And soon...
Okay, what next?
Now add 2 teaspoons of ketchup and a dash of paprika. Lastly, pour the mixture into my subcritical fission reactor. 1 nuclear transmutation later, and so...
Okay, we're all ready. Does everybody understand the plan? Yep! Okay, good luck. Let's go!
Chapter 13, The Final Betrayal. Soon...
Hi, Papa.
Where have you been? Those tadpoles are almost done destroying your friends.
We were making an antidote. It's in this balloon. All we have to do is pop it, and those tadpoles will lose all of their superpowers. You better go hide in that swamp now, Molly, and stay under the water so you won't breathe the antidote. That way, you won't lose your superpowers. Okay, see you later!
Aha!
Hey!
You guys are in big trouble now. Oh, fair fairy!
What do you want now?
Those two kids were trying to trick you. They put antidote gas in this balloon. If your tadpoles breathe it, they'll lose all of their superpowers.
Antidote gas, eh?
Yeah, and the only place that's safe is that swamp over there.
Is that so?
Yep.
Well, that gives me a splendid idea. Okay, tadpoles, listen up. I want you all to hide in that swamp over there. Stay underwater and don't breathe the air for a few minutes. Okay, Mommy?
Bye, Mom. See you later.
Now I'm going to deal with you. You couldn't follow orders, could you? You just had to do your own thing. Well, you're in big trouble now, little girl. Huh? What are you grinning about?
Meanwhile,
You'd better wipe that smile off of your face, young lady, because things are about to get serious. He's gonna pop that balloon and... What happened?
Look!
Yeah!
That's not fair! That antidote ruined everything!
Hey, wait a minute. There's no antidote in this balloon, is there?
Nope,
You lied to me! You betrayed me!
I guess I did. Grandpa! Zuzu's the real hero today! She brought the antidote into the swamp and saved the world!
Hooray for Zuzu!
Let's get out of here while we've got a chance.
I'm with you!
But soon... and then...
I can't walk much farther.
It's okay. I think we got away.
Really?
Yeah, they're all still back there congratulating themselves.
Wow, we got so lucky.
I know. We got away with no comeuppance whatsoever. We're the luckiest villains ever.
Hey, look! Commander Cupcake did it again!
He captured the Fair Fairy and Grandpa.
You two criminals are going to jail!
Not so fast! This isn't Grandpa. This is my papa.
But he looks just like Grandpa.
Show him, ADHD.
Oh! Oh! Ow! No! Wait! ADHD's Beauty Salon in Flippo-Rama. Ready? Gentle rinse. Delicate cleanse. Relaxing blow dry. Ow!
See?
Okay, I'm convinced.
Works for me. Let's go, Grandpa.
It's not fair!
Chapter 14. Too good, Flippy. Hey, what happened?
Did we miss anything?
No, not really.
The bad guys went to jail, and Commander Cupcake saved the day again!
He did not!
Hooray for Commander Cupcake!
Alright, let's go, kid.
Hey, Papa. Flippy and Molly don't have anywhere to live. Can they stay with us for a while? Please? Please, 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 Super Duper, please?
Well, okay, but only for a few...
Bye-bye, everybody. Let's all play again tomorrow, okay? Come on, Flippy. Let's go.
Thanks, guys, but I can't.
Why not?
I think I'm needed elsewhere.
Where, Flippy?
Well, there are 21 baby tadpoles in that swamp back there, and I'll bet they're feeling pretty lonely and afraid all by themselves. I remember how that felt. So I was thinking,
maybe they could use a friend. You were so good to me when I was in fish jail, LP. You made comics for me every day. You inspired me. You kept me going. Now it's my turn to do good.
Hey, I want to do good too.
Well, you can help me if you want.
Okay.
And you guys can visit us at the swamp anytime.
Yeah, you still have to teach me how to make comics. I will. Maybe you can teach all 22 of us. Okay.
Well, let's go, kiddo.
Bye, little baby. Bye, little guy.
And so...
See, Papa? I told you Flippy was a good guy.
Yeah, I guess so.
He's changing the world.
Well, I don't know about that. I mean, come on. All he's really doing is looking after a few baby tadpoles. That's not really gonna change the world.
Maybe not. But it'll change their world.
Maybe you're right, kid.
I am? I was right about something?
I said maybe.
I was right about something! Sweet!
The end. Sarah Hatoff News Blog. Former fish felon finds family. Flippy, the bionic psychokinetic butterfly fish, was released from fish jail last week and is already making an impact in our community. In this exclusive interview, Flippy shares his inspiring story. Q.
How has life changed since you were in fish jail?
A. Well, I moved into a swamp and now I'm raising a bunch of baby tadpoles. Q.
How did you meet them?
A. We met last week when they tried to destroy the planet. Q.
Weren't you afraid of them?
A. Nah, I knew they were good kids deep down inside, and I was right. Q.
Were they happy to see you?
A. They didn't recognize me. They had no memory of their terrifying ordeal. In fact, they all started calling me Daddy. Q.
So what did you do?
A. I had no choice. I adopted them all. Q.
So what's next for you and your new family?
A. Right now, I'm teaching everybody to read and write. My friend Molly is helping, and Cat Kid is teaching us all how to make our own comics. Cat Kid's Comic Club. Local kid in Li'l Petey has started his own comic club, and it's gaining new members every day. If you would like to start your own chapter of Cat Kid's Comic Club, go to scholastic.com/catkidclub to download everything you need. It's free and it's fun. Dog Man is go! An all-new Dog Man novel is coming soon on C-Ret the Reader, and it's going to be the best one yet. The title of the all-new graphic novel is going to be Dog Man, and it will be available next summer. Later this year, hopefully. Notes by George and Harold. On pages 6 and 7, George is adapting a well-known quote from the Bible, 1 Corinthians 13:11, KJV and NLT. Petey's rant on pages 36 to 38 was inspired by the following quote, "Life is never fair, and perhaps it is a good thing for most of us that it is not." Oscar Wilde. The Barky McTreeface song from Chapter 6 can be sung to the tune of any magical snowman themed song that you can think of. The final chapter was inspired by The Star Thrower by Lauren Isley, as well as Joel Barker's adaptation. It goes kinda like this. A guy walking along the seashore saw a kid picking up starfish from the sand and gently throwing them back into the ocean. "What you doing?" asked the guy. "These starfish were washed ashore," said the kid, "and they will die if they don't get back to the sea." "But there are thousands of starfish along the shore," said the guy. "You can't possibly make a difference." The kid gently threw another starfish out into the sea. "I made a difference to that one," she said. Bonus! Now now you can sing the final verses of Barky's song.
You better not!
Oh, Barky, McTreeface, knew the moon was bright that night. So he grabbed his foes with his hands and toes, and he squeezed them really tight. Then all the tadpoles flew into a swampy bay, and the medicine Zuzu poured right in made their powers go away. So Barky dropped our heroes and he turned back to a tree. Then the bad guys went to jail, and that's the end of our story. Now Barky McTreeface is so peaceful, calm, and zen. And if you do good like you know you should, then he won't come back again. Peacety, peace, peace, zenity, zen. Look at Barky now. Doity, do, goodity, good. He won't come back no how.